We'll guide you through how to use the Google Docs offline extension so you can work on your documents without an internet connection. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your desktop and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Then, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for the Google Docs offline extension. Once you find it, click on Add to Chrome to install the extension. After installation, you'll see a small icon in the upper right corner of your browser indicating that the extension is active. Now, go to Google Docs by visiting docs.google.com. Look for the menu on the left side and click on the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. From there, select Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll see an option that says Offline. Click the toggle switch next to Offline to enable offline mode. This allows you to create, edit, and view your Google Docs files without an internet connection. Keep in mind that you need to be online initially to enable offline mode and sync your files. Once that's set up, you can go offline and access your documents from the Chrome browser anytime. It's a good idea to keep your browser up to date to ensure the extension works smoothly. Also, remember that your changes will sync automatically when you reconnect to the internet, so you won't lose any work. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.